Good afternoon, good people. Once again, I'm Kanya Unongwengwezi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel, my Facebook page, Instagram. Today, I am back to kind of share with you information I've been skeptical of sharing. As you would know, the journey of ubugqirha or ubungoma is quite um, sacred at certain points. So it's not possible to share everything. So one has to tread carefully in terms of what we actually do share. But I've been asked by a number of you to, especially those who have embarked on the journey of getting initiated in ubugqirha besiXhosa. People have been asking me, as a person who now is initiated in ubugqirha besiXhosa, as well as Mnguni and Mndau, as there can be a lot of confusion around, especially Mnguni and Mndau, especially for us Xhosa people who are far from your central cosmopolitan areas like your Johannesburg, your Gauteng, where Mnguni and Mndau is more rife and, widely practiced. It is very rare or scarce in our parts of the country, these parts of the country. The Eastern Cape and the Western Cape struggle in terms of the availability of information when it comes to this kind of or this process of intwaso. And I've seen quite a number of people being taken advantage of um, by people who claim to know how to thwasa umndau. It's very rife in Port Elizabeth, Uitenage. I know a lot of people that claim to be izangoma and they thwasisa umndau, only to find they themselves have never embarked on the journey of ukuthwasa umndau, Mnguni and Mndau. They would do things similar, and I've come to assume that they do what has been done to them. You understand? If you were paraffined by your bogus and they said to you, no, it's not a problem, I can help you with that too. You will do the same, you understand, to your initiates as well, which is unfortunate. As you would, as they say, um, no boy can make a man. You understand? Um, ikwekwe ayiyenzi indoda, mhlawumbi andikwazi uyitolika nge-English. You understand? So you can't take someone on a process you yourself you have never been through. It's not possible. And it's not fair to claim that you know and you can. So in this video, I'm just going to be, talking in general, just as an introduction. But the following videos, I will be touching on a few things that I think, you should know. You understand? So that you know when you are being taken advantage of. I'm not saying I know better, but surely I have walked the path. I have walked the path. And I am associated with a lot of real, legit sangomas I have seen. I have experienced. So I'm one of those people, very few, who can tell um, the real from the unreal. For example, with us, Xhosa, it is very difficult to differentiate between what is referred to as Mndau, and intwaso yamaZulu, amakhosi. For example, I'll give you a very plain example. When when Zulu initiates undergo intwaso yabo, I don't know at what stage, but there is that stage where now you will carry on your head, you will have, that flock of feathers of, it's either a chicken that was slaughtered for you during iphetlo, you understand, nenyongo yakho on your head, you understand, for the entire duration, until unwambe. But you'll never find that with Mnguni and Mndau. If you are twasaring Mnguni and Mndau, um, I can tell you now, I've never seen Mnguni othwala inseba zenkukhu, Mndau othwala inseba zenkukhu. I've never seen that. I mean, now where it originates, we understand. And also, the information is not easily available, or rather, the process is not easily accepted in our part of, you know, uh, the country, in the Eastern Cape especially. Our elders, our elder amagqirha, think it's something very foreign, and that we shouldn't even, be excited about it. You understand? But now, what do you do when you have this itongo? Because I don't think it's something that you choose. You can't do it for fun. Who wants to carry a goat on their back? You understand? Just for fun, for the fun of it. It can't be for fun. But when you are chosen, and when it has to be done, it has to be done. But unfortunately, amongst our elders, very few of them have seen and have experienced the process of ukuthwasiswa komnguni nomndau. And also, with us, there's a tendency of people um, um, going through a process that I would say, I don't know how to put it, but it's not even ukuthwasa, you understand, where udliswa izizwe, or bathi udliswa amakhosi, you understand. And now, whatever it is that has been put into you, you understand, that you have ingested, it grows into you, and those spirits become alive in you, and they call them amakhosi, and they tend to want to behave like idlozi lomnguni, you understand. But now the difference is that dlozi is rather inflicted on you. We understand? Alidabukanga kuwe. You understand? Alidabukanga kuwe. Um, it's a spirit that was forced into you. But ngamakhosi. That is why this side of the country, they shun upon intwaso yomnguni nomndau. It's because of people or initiates bedliswa izizwe, bedliswa amakhosi aseDurban. Yeah, you understand now. You understand? And also, our initiates struggle to differentiate between, because even amongst us Xhosa amagqirha, the likhona ithongo, you understand, that comes to you in a manner that would represent, you know, or that would be similar to how Mnguni Mndau shows up. You understand? For example, when you dream of yourself with, red imbola, red clay smeared on you. Our imbola is white. We use imbola emhlophe. But there are times when we use imbola ebomvu. For example, when you go to thwasa emqolombeni, you understand? There we use imbola ebomvu. And sometimes when you go to thwasa emqolombeni, umqolomba can show up, you know, through people wearing red amabai. You understand? Red and white amabai. It's not necessarily that every time you see a red and white ibai, it's Mndau. Sometimes it's still part of your Xhosa initiation. We understand, just that you have to now go thwasa emqolombeni in the cave. A lot of people don't understand those differences. There are those nitty-gritties because each person's itongo is different. It's not, we don't thwasa in a uniform manner, which is why itongo, each person's itongo is very critical, you understand, to be understood by the person training that initiate. We understand. Let me end it here for now. The next video, I think I want us to now start identifying um, um, the kind of dreams you would have. We understand, that would tell you now you have to go thwasa Mnguni and Mndau.